Sonia here, and I think I'm going live. This is my second or third try, my third try. So, yeah, I wanted to come to you live with some of my holiday stuff coming up, and I tried to make it kind of holiday-y, so I have a little Christmas present and a green tin and a cute little polar bear. He's behind the kit. Anyway, so I wanted to talk to you about a couple things that I have coming up. And it's really cool because I've recently decided that I wanted to kind of refocus a lot of my energy on the skincare business and all the cool ideas and things that I have going with that, because this is my passion, right? So organic skincare, self-care, and becoming the best possible person I can be, transforming from the outside in and back out again, right? That's where my journey started a few years ago. And over the last couple of years, over the last year, I've started to incorporate superfoods and clean eating and fitness, and that's awesome, and it's a huge part of what I do. But I need to, what I've decided is I need to kind of focus my energy on the skincare business. So, it just keeps my focus where it needs to be. And so I can share with you all the neat new things that I'm doing and the ideas that I have and where I'm going. And I have lots of cool things happening, and I'm trying to now kind of figure out, that's my hair. Anyway, so, yeah, I'm silly. All right, so stuff that we have going on. So I have kits. Now, I've always kind of had the option to put my stuff together in a kit, and I'll have a video soon on my website of actual showing how to use the products, and I have a few videos out there, but I want to put it there where it's easily accessible. The website is www.justbotanicalsak.com. But check it out. So I went and got a few little accessories to make these kits even better. So whatever the kit might be, I have this smaller size box and I have a larger box, and I have some really cool natural stuffing. And I have, this is going to be, for example, a cleansing kit, right? So I have my gentle cleanser, and I now have a little sea sponge as part of that comes with the kit. And so what's really neat about this is the gentle cleanser by itself, when you shake it and spritz it, this gives it a little bit of an exfoliating effect and helps the cleansing process. Then I also have a toner, and I have a few new toners too I'm going to talk about. And then, of course, the cream cleanser is the next step. The thing about the cream cleanser, though, is that you need a muslin cloth or a rag to pull it off, like a hot rag. I got muslin cloths. Now, these ones, unfortunately, when I ordered them, they looked natural, but they're actually bleached. They're like a massage or facial or spa type of a cloth. So I've since ordered natural ones. Spatula, of course. So anything that I have that's in a jar, we want to use a spatula, because it's, even though it's oil-based, since it's oil-based, you don't need a preservative, so that, because bacteria is not going to grow in that. But the spatula keeps your fingers and the bacteria on your fingers from taking house in your cleanser or in your face polish. So this is a kind of a deep cleansing kit, right? And you would have, and so the face polish you also would get a spatula for. And with the face polish, because it's 40% coconut oil, you actually would also want the muslin cloth. So the muslin cloth will come with all the kits that have the cream cleanser or the face polish, but it would have to be in a kit. And then, of course, you would tone afterwards. And then I have a serum, I also have a cream, and I also have a day lotion. Generally, I know I do most of my facials at night, so I would follow with the serum or the luxury cream. And so this is an example of a basic kit that you would get. Then I'm also getting my sample sizes. Turn it this way. All right, it's hard for me to get in and do this. So I have a few things that can be used as stocking stuffers. And so how this goes is 2 for $10, or if you get, 2 for $10, or 5 for $20, or 12 for $40. And then you would get that many stocking stuffers. And you can choose from whatever selection, right? So I have my rejuvenating serum for vibrant aging. I have my luxury cream, which is also for vibrant aging. I have my lip balms, and I have my body oils. They're in the little vial with the cap instead of so the serums actually come with a little mini dropper. And so then I'm also going to do toners as an option. And those will be in this smaller 1 ounce spritzer. But this is a sweet deal because the normal toner is like 27 or 28 bucks. But these will be kind of more simple, right? So these are going to be like awesome straight hydrosols, basically, like rose water, for example, or neroli hydrosol, or even like a frankincense and rose geranium hydrosols. So there'll be a couple varieties of toners in this size as well. And then I will also have my Refresh cleanser. I'll have in small little sample sizes as well. And that's about all. Oh, and my gingerbread lip balm. I'm going to see if you can see that. Anyway. Okay. All right. So, it's hard to see it, but okay. So then I also have introduced, I have straight up rosehip seed oil you can get, which is a bit more affordable than adding all the essential oils and other ingredients that I have in my serum. And rosehip seed oil is really good for sensitive skin, right? But it's got demonstrated anti-wrinkle and anti-scarring benefits. And then I have a couple more toners. So straight rose water, I already mentioned. And then I'm introducing Radiance. Radiance is frankincense hydrosol, rose geranium hydrosol, and rose hydrosols, all combined with frankincense and rose essential oils. So it is definitely super vibrant aging, super beneficial for vibrant aging. I'm trying to get out of using the word anti-aging, right? But frankincense and rose both are notorious for having vibrant aging benefits. And also they're a little bit gentler and maybe for more sensitive skin and possibly more mature skin as well. Well, they're supposed to be for more mature skin, but I know I've had a couple people that my normal toner, my Restore, which is really rejuvenating and fabulous for me, has proven to be a little bit too active for like a rosacea type of skin type. So I'm introducing that new toner. Yeah, so this is a little bit of what I got going on. Thanks so much for joining. I'm really glad. I don't know, I think I've seen a couple people on or off, but I seem to have bad reception with these live videos. So any questions or comments, suggestions, please comment below. And as always, check out my website, www.justbotanicalsak.com. And I still have not put the stocking stuffers on there, so I need to figure out how to do that, so that it would give you an option to make a note about which ones you wanted. Or you could even, at this point, still probably send me a message through Facebook and with your address, and we can get it all squared away. So, all right, thanks for joining, everybody. Have a good night. Bye.